In this video, I will show you how to set up a custom notification tone for Samsung Mobile. I want to use this audio as a notification tone. There is no option to set up as notification tone. Now go to Settings. Then Notification. Then the notification sound. Only the default notification sound of the mobile is there. Now go to the File Manager again. See how to add your desired notification sound. Now select the sound of your choice in the File Manager. Then copy this audio. Then go to the internal storage of the mobile. Then go to the notification folder. Then paste the audio into this folder. Go to Settings again. Then go to Notification Sound. Hey. This is your new notification sound.